namaste. Welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new here, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support, guys. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So if you want any information, check the description box, guys. Okay. So yeah, so today's pick a card reading is about which archangel is with you right now. What are the messages for you? What are they guiding with you? So guidance, like that kind of reading. So we have 3 feathers over here. So the first group we have this black feather. Okay. For the second group we have this white feather. And for the third group we have this green feather. Okay. So close your eyes, relax your mind, connect with yourself and then select a feather, okay? Or go with numbers, you can go with numbers. So anyways, connect with yourself and select a pile intuitively, okay? So these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And yeah, the timestamps will be in the description box, okay? So if you want more time, pause the video, relax, meditate for 2 to 3 minutes and then connect with yourself and then select, okay? So yeah, so I'm gonna start with group number 1, guys. Group number 1, if you chose this black feather, then this is your reading, okay? So with this black feather, I feel like you're protected. You don't have to worry about your protection. You're protected. Your archangels are protecting you, okay? So let's see which archangel is working with you right now. So let's see. Okay, we have 5th chakra. This is Archangel Gabriel. Okay, and we have this 39 number, okay, and that is like 12. 3 plus 9 is 12 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So the 3 number is important, and 3 number is also about communication, right? And throat chakra is all about communication, speaking our truth. So for this pile, I feel like that you are afraid of speaking your truth. Maybe sometimes you don't speak your truth, or maybe you need to speak more. Maybe your voice is important. Maybe you need to sing that song, if maybe singing, communicating, maybe motivating other people, something with this throat chakra. So for many of you, you need to he is helping you to clear your throat chakra. I feel like that, maybe because of your fear, your own fear, you don't confront people. So yeah, maybe for some of you, you suppress your feelings. Instead of talking, you suppress it. You don't spill it out. I feel like that. So he's helping you with that. Maybe in relationship also, because sometimes, because of the fear, we don't speak our feelings. We don't speak out. We don't say our truth. So it's time to say your truth. You are protected. That is what I feel like that. With this Gemini energy, with this 3 number, I feel the Gemini energy, where communication, the important part is communication. And for some of you, I feel communications are coming also. You might receive a good news. I don't know, I feel like that you might receive a good news about something about career, something like that, okay? That is also coming through. Maybe if you're doing something related to social media, I feel good news will be coming. So speak your truth. So for some of you, definitely you have like you are not putting out your values out to the world, or maybe like what you feel, your truth to the world. Maybe for some of you, you need to come out, and speak your truth. That is what you're protected. So that is what Archangel Gabriel is helping you with, to speak your truth, to come out and communicate. In a relationship also, I feel for some of you, you might be like because of fear, you're not saying your feelings. So there is that and because of that, you might be like suffering. So it's important you say your feelings. If you don't feel doing something, if you don't want to do something, say no. Sometimes it's okay to say no. So, don't be afraid to speak your truth. That is what Archangel Gabriel is saying. You are protected, okay? So let's see what else we have. So let's pull out from this for my group number 1, what else they need to know. What are their messages for group number 1? Okay, yeah, look at that. Yes, it's time to speak your truth. It's time to get out of the garden. You know, you are in this comfort zone. You know, you feel like it's comfort zone, but you have a lot of dreams also. Maybe you're suppressing your dreams. You know, you have the key. You have the key, but you don't have the courage to open the gate and go out and live your life. Okay, so that is what Archangel Gabriel is helping you with. For some of you, this woman has a lot of flowers, good house, everything is there, she is happy there, but she is in a comfort zone, but she has a dream, right? She has something on her mind, but she's so afraid to take the first step. So it's time to take the first step. Okay, I feel like that. When again we have this 3 number over here, isn't it? Yeah, the 3 number is very important. 33 number, the master number, is important. Maybe your master number 33 or something like that, or maybe your 39 age group, 30 to 39 age group, or maybe life path number 3. Okay, so yeah, I feel like that. It's time to step out of your comfort zone. If you're thinking about something for quite a while and you're afraid to speak it out, just go and speak it out. Speak it out. If you want to start that channel, YouTube channel, where you're speaking where you're saying your feelings, or your that kind of thing, where you're putting your art out to the world, just do it. Don't let your own fear stop you. Okay, so speak your truth. If you're in a relationship and you're feeling that you want more things from that relationship, you expect more things from that person, just speak it out. Don't suppress it. That is what Archangel wants you to know right now. It's time to take that key and open the gate and move move forward with your life. Don't be in that sometimes a change is necessary. We are afraid of change, but this change will make you happy. Okay, yeah, just get out. I'm getting that 4 of Pentacles energy, where you have the security, stability, and you are like, just if I do something different, I might lose the things I have in my life. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to explore more things. So you are missing out on something, so there's so much to explore. That is what Archangel Gabriel is saying. Just communicate your truth. If you want to do something, just go forward and do it. Say it out. If in a relationship, if you want something from that person, just say it out. This is not working, I want this from you. Just say it out. Confront. Don't be afraid of confrontation. Okay, you're protected. That is what I'm getting here. Look at this butterfly. You are meant to transform. You're meant to evolve. Don't be in that comfort thing. There you'll not grow. It's time for growth. Okay, it's time to do something different. That is what Archangel Gabriel is saying. Okay, so let's pull out from this, then we will pull out other cards. Okay, let's see what are the messages from angels here for you guys. For group number 1. Okay, and I will take one more. Okay, for group number 1. Okay, thank you. Destiny. Oh, look at that. Your destiny is to blossom, to shine, to transform to an ever greater light. What was I talking about? You're meant to blossom. You're meant to grow. You're meant to explore. You're meant to shine. So what is stopping you from opening the gate and moving forward with your life? So don't be afraid. It's not the time to be fearful. You are protected. Your archangels are helping you with that. The things that you need to communicate. That is what I'm getting. If you want to do something different, go ahead and do it. Don't worry about anything, because things will be okay. Truth. Look at that. We were talking about the communication, and you have truth. The best way through the current situation is to just speak your truth. Look at how everything is like coming together, right? So look, yeah, it's time to speak your truth. If you want something, just go and say it. Don't be afraid of confrontation. That is what I'm getting here for you guys. Okay, speak your truth. It's time to speak your truth. If you want to do something different, it's time. Don't be in that comfort zone. Change is necessary. Change is there. This change will make you happy. Okay, so yeah, it's time to take that. It's time to be courageous. Okay, don't overthink about anything and just do it what your heart says. It's time to listen to your heart. That is what I'm feeling here, and that is what Archangel Gabriel is helping you with. He is with you. Okay, it's time to speak your truth. Let's see what else. Yeah, play. Yeah, lot of worry energy here. You need, sometimes we worry a lot. Instead of speaking our truth, we worry a lot, right? It's not the time to worry. It's time to be in this playful energy. The dolphin are such a playful creature, so it's time to have fun, time to sometimes we overthink a lot. We overthink so much about our future. What will happen if I say this to them? Will they leave me? That kind of overthinking should not be there. Instead, just speak up and enjoy your life. That is what Archangel Gabriel is saying. You are over stressing about things. You are not having you are not having that fun energy, because of your overthinking. You lack confidence, so it's time to be confident. Okay, so swim in the happy joy of living. Inhale confidence and exhale fear. So much of fear, exhale that fear, inhale that confidence. Dive into your wisdom, go with the flow. So it's time to go with the flow, to it's time to trust the universe. It's time to trust your archangels and just move with the flow. Go with the flow. Speak your truth, and what you actually want to do in your life, just go with it. Okay, don't let anything or anyone else stop you from achieving the things you want in your life. It's time to explore. It's time to sing your own song. What are you waiting for? Why is your fear? The only thing that is stopping you right now is your own fear, and that you need to let go. Okay, so we got, oh my god, opportunity. Look, when you let go of that fear, when you let go of that fear, that worry, that lack of confidence, maybe for some of you, you're feeling, oh, now it's not the time, I have crossed that age limit or something like that. No, you can do anything at any age. Who said that? Your archangel is saying that you're meant to do this. Just take that key. You have the key. Just open the lock and go out. It's your destiny to shine. It's not to be in that place. You're meant to do something different. You're meant to speak your truth. You're meant to, maybe for some of you, you're meant to give your wisdom to other people. And when you do that, the opportunity will come. The archangels will give you the opportunity. So don't worry about the future a lot. Don't worry about the future. Just go with the flow. That is what they are saying. Maybe it's a blog you want to write and you are like so afraid of writing it, or maybe it's a sing that you want to maybe it's a song that you want to sing and you're just so afraid. So just put it out there. If you're in a relationship that is not helping you, just speak it out. You need to confront. Don't be afraid of confrontation. Speak your truth. That is what is coming through here. And for some of you, I feel like if your parents want to do something else, if you want to take art and they are telling you to take science or something like that, it's just speak your truth, that no, I don't want to take science, and educate them. Tell them that what you actually want. Don't be afraid, and don't sometimes even if we do something for someone, we will not be happy. Maybe we will be, maybe they will be happy. We will what I'm trying to say is, like, sometimes what happens, our parents will be happy that you took science and all, but you will not be happy. So it's important that you should be happy. If you are doing a career, if you are not happy, then what is the use, right? So I'm getting there. Okay, yeah. So I feel I am also having problem communicating right now. Interesting, So yeah, you are not putting your words out there to the world. Just give it out. Speak your truth. Yeah, sorrow over a loss. Okay, for some of you, you might have gone through a loss, and maybe because of that only you are overthinking a lot. You're very afraid of certain things. In the past, you might have lost something that was so valuable, or maybe you're just afraid of failures also. I feel like that. What if I told them and I took this chance, and you're like, what if it failed? What if I fail? That kind of energy is there. So you don't have to worry about this much. That is what they are saying. The Archangel Gabriel is saying, just follow your truth, follow your passion, go with it. Everything will work out for you. You are overthinking. You need to have more fun energy, and be confident in yourself. That is what is coming through here. Okay. Fair woman. Okay, so maybe a person will help you. I feel like that. I don't know. I feel like maybe someone, or maybe you lost a person, a mother figure. Maybe that can also happen, and because of that, you're feeling so lonely, and you're not expressing that. It's time to express your, even if express it. Say that to, if you're suppressing feelings, it's not good. Just talk it out. Talk it out to the divine. Talk, talk it out. I have so much, I don't know why I have problems letting the words out, because I feel I'm getting that energy where you are not able to speak your truth. You're not able to share your feelings with other people, right? So yes, you have you suppress everything. Don't do that, okay? Don't suppress your feelings, okay? just just say your truth. Maybe for some of you, you lost your mother figure, who maybe a person, maybe a friend you lost, and maybe because of that you're like so anxious about things. Maybe you're not letting, and that feelings is suppressed inside. You need to let it out. I feel like that it's time to let that that feelings out. For some of you, definitely a woman might be helping you. There is a woman who will listen to you. I feel like that. Maybe there is a friend who will listen to you. Just speak with her, let your feelings out. I feel like that also. Yeah, look, success, when you follow this path, when you speak your truth, you don't have to worry about anything. You will get the success you deserve, right? Why are you worrying so much? Okay, take your enemies are working against you. Okay, maybe for some of you, maybe you're protected. I feel like that. Maybe you're over stressing that people are doing something bad, talking bad. Maybe you're just over stressing about it. You don't have to, so for some of you, I feel like that you don't have to waste your energy there thinking about what other people are thinking about you or something like that. You don't have to put your energy there. You just focus on yourself, speak your truth, and move forward with your life. That is what I'm getting here, okay? So yeah, you don't have to put your energy on that negative people. Just speak your truth and move forward with your life. We cannot we cannot change everyone, right? There will be people who will be talking ill about us. We cannot do anything about it, right? So it's their energy. You just let it go, okay? So yeah, so let's see for group number 1 what the charms have for you. So group number 1. Okay, look, we have this money coming. So if you're worrying about money, if you feel like, oh, if I take this path, whether I'll be able to get that financial needs, you will get it. You will get the success. You don't have to worry. Look, your ancestors are with you also. The ancestors' energy is there. Look, the sun is gonna shine. The sun is gonna shine, and you will know who is not good for you with this bad energy. Also, I feel like that if someone is like faking something, you will know. You will get it. You will get the communication. I feel like the truth is also coming out. The clarity is coming out here. That is also happening for you guys. I feel like that, okay? So the letters we have is K, we have E, we have C and A. And let's see more letters. We have I, we have L, we have E. Lie. Yes, the lies are coming out, guys. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, with this mask, you will be I feel like that, if someone has lied to you, or maybe maybe this person has lied to you, you will yeah, I don't know, I feel like that someone has lied to you, and you will be able to know the truth. You will get clarity about it, and that will make you when you will know the truth, you will be feeling very relaxed. I feel like that, maybe maybe a friend left you, and you're like, why she left me, something like that, and you will know that she was lying or something. You will know the truth, complete truth, and that will make you very, very relaxed. I feel like that also. So some of you, truth is coming. Yeah, with this communication, I said now some communication is coming, some clarity is coming, some truths are coming out, and you will know that you are not the reason for something. Maybe you're blaming yourself for something. No, you are not the reason. You will get the answers. You will get the truth. Yeah, the lies are gonna come out. The truth is gonna come out. Whoever lied to you, they are they are coming in the light. I feel like that then their faces are coming out, you know, who did you wrong, you know, you're getting the clarity about that. I feel like that. IA, the archangels are helping you with that. L, W, I, and D. Look, you're gonna win. You will win, okay? You don't have to worry about it. You will, you know, with the success card coming out, whatever you do, don't worry about your career. Just go with it. Take, you know, it's time to open that gate. I said, you know, you will win. Don't worry about it. So maybe for some of you are denying it, you know. Yeah, we have this denial. You know, you're in denial of something. Okay, what is that you're in denial of? Okay, you need to stop that. You need to just let go of that, you know. Sometimes we deny things, even, you know, sometimes we deny the truth. It's not working for you. You should stop that. Okay, let go of that and accept the truth. Okay, yeah, it's important you accept the truth now. They are, you know, Archangel Gabriel is showing the clarity to you. Just accept it. Don't deny it. Maybe you're thinking that you're not worth it. You are worth it. Okay, you are worth to have success. You're meant to get out of your comfort zone. Maybe you're like so in your comfort zone, you're so denying the change, and Archangel Gabriel is saying this change will give you a lot of happiness. Some, you know, initially it will be a little bit difficult, but definitely it is going to give you a lot of happiness, a lot of success. But you are here in this denial. You know, for some of you, you have lost someone and you're not getting out of it. You're denying that, and it's not working for you guys. It is stopping your own growth and success. The opportunities, you're missing on opportunities. So it's time you get out of that, let go of the past. If the relationship didn't work out, just let it go, because it was not for you. Okay, and yeah, that is what, if you lost someone, you need to get out of, you know, you need to let go of that pain, because it is hindering your progress. And life is like that only, you know, life is a cycle. So we cannot do anything about it. So you need to know that, and Archangel Gabriel is helping you with that. He's giving you clarity. The lies, if anyone has lied to you or something made you feel bad, and so that all communication is coming out. You will know. Your answers are coming, guys. So yeah, for some of you, definitely I see a growth in your career. If you want to do something different in your career, just go for it. Okay, you have a lot of creative ideas. The sun is gonna shine. We have the sun. Okay, yeah, and yeah, you will know who is this people who are like working. Yeah, that is also coming through. I feel like that the negative people who are not good for you, that is also coming through. Okay, so remember, Archangel Gabriel is with you. Communications are coming. You need to speak your truth. Okay, so let's see what the stickers have for you for group number 1. Okay, okay, so that's it. Oh, just a girl boss building her empire. Oh my god, look at it. So if you want to do something, if you want to build an if you want to build a business, or you have been planning to do something, just go for it. You will be successful. Okay, don't stop yourself. Get out of that comfort zone. Okay, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Okay, yeah, be kind. Be compassionate with yourself. I feel you're not compassionate with yourself. Maybe for some of you, I feel like you're blaming yourself that you're not good enough, that this. No, you are good enough. Be kind to yourself right now. I feel like that you need to be more kinder to yourself. You're kind to other people, but you're not kind to yourself. You need to be kind to yourself. Go with your, sometimes we, for other people, you do certain thing. Don't do that. You will never be happy. So do something for yourself today, right? Have you done anything for yourself today? Just go and do it. Okay, that energy I'm getting here. You have been doing things for other people, but you're not. It's time to work for you. It's time to live your dreams right now. I feel like that. It's time to let go of your past completely and believe in yourself and move forward with your own ideas, with your creativity, with your, you're gonna expand. That is when you will expand. You have this communication problem. Yeah, your throat chakra needs healing. I feel like that you need to work on that throat chakra. I'm getting here. Okay, because you are reading, I was not able to my words were not flowing. I was like feeling so stuck, while coming, my words were not coming out. So I feel that energy for you guys. Okay, so that's it, group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you choose this white feather, then this is your reading. So with this white feather, I feel angels are protecting you, guiding you. Okay, listen to them. Okay, you're getting a lot of signs I'm getting here. Maybe you're seeing numbers, repeating patterns. So when you see that, acknowledge it. Okay, and listen to your heart at that time. What is your emotion? What are you thinking? It's important. You might get an answer to your question at that time. So for some of you, you need to, I feel this abundance. If you're planning, if you're manifesting something, yeah, you need to believe in it, because I see that happening. It's time to make a wish. And yeah, that is what I'm getting here. So the archangel that is working with you right now is, yeah, Archangel Ariel. Okay, we have 9 number also. For some of you, you're completing a cycle, entering a new phase in your life. I feel like that some sort of major completion is happening for you guys, and it's like second chakra, it's like the sacral chakra. So for many of you, it's like expressing yourself, accepting your sexuality, embracing yourself, letting go of that in the past you might had some you need to let go of something that is related to the past, that is hindering your growth. Here I'm getting that maybe your parents didn't understand you, and you maybe you have you're very insecure about certain things. Maybe you tend to overthink a lot about your future, and you might feel that you're a failure. For some of you, you feel you don't trust yourself. So Archangel Ariel is saying it's time to trust your own creativity. Okay, for some of you, definitely I feel if you're trying to conceive, I don't know, this is also coming, maybe that wish will be fulfilled for you guys. Okay, so believe in it. Okay, believe in it. For some of you, you need to know that you're worthy. Okay, for some of you, maybe in the past many people have discouraged you, maybe yeah, the way you look, they might have said something and it might have affected you, right? So remember that they are just people, they don't know, sometimes people give us that negative emotion, and it's their emotion, it's not yours. Don't take that. Okay, remember that you're worthy. Archangel Ariel is helping you with that. I feel like that with your self-love thing, maybe you have problem loving yourself. So remember to love yourself, because when you love yourself, that is when you will be able to love other people also. So it's time to accept your sexuality, accept the way you look. Don't try to change yourself for other people also, I'm getting here. And trust in you. Maybe you have problem in trusting yourself, your own creativity. Maybe you don't trust your ideas, right? It's time to trust your own ideas, because these ideas are divinely guided, but you're not trusting it. So for some of you, Archangel Ariel is saying to trust your own ideas, your own creative things. If you're doing some creative projects, trust in it, believe in yourself, and then do it. Don't sabotage yourself. I don't know, I'm getting for some of you, you are self-sabotaging, or you're getting in your own way. Okay, I'm getting here that is sometimes we get in our own way because of our own fear. So you need to let go of that fear. I'm getting a lot of fear-based energy, a lot of overthinking, maybe because of past failures. You are like so much in this overthinking. So yeah, you need to let go of that overthinking, and don't think small of you. Maybe there's like you have like a lot of limited beliefs inside you, that you can achieve this much only, that you can you are like, oh, I will have this amount of money only in my life. No, think big. Okay, Archangel Ariel is saying think big. You can achieve big. Okay, don't think small for you. Think big, make big good choices for you guys. Okay, believe in yourself. Okay, for some of you, you need to do law of attraction, journaling or something like that is also coming through, and believe in it. Okay, be positive, choose positive thoughts. Yeah, sometimes it's difficult, because I feel for many of you here are struggling with that. You get all these negative emotions all the time. So just quiet your mind and sit with yourself, meditate, call upon Archangel Ariel. Okay, so for some of you, if you have a creative block or something, just call upon her. Okay, you will be able to get back. Okay, relax whenever you're feeling like you're not able to focus. Just relax, take a day off and relax and then come back to work. You will be able to get good ideas, I'm getting. So take a break also, don't overwork yourself, okay? Yeah, so she's helping you with your creativity, with your own self, you know, with your own image, and trusting yourself, you know. Yeah, trust yourself, trust in your own, in your own capabilities, I'm getting here, okay? So let's see what else. Oh, we have the thinking man. For some of you, I feel there is a person who is like will give you good advice here, okay? So there is a teacher who is there. You know, maybe for some of you there is a teacher. There is a teacher who is guiding you. So you need to listen to his advice, I'm getting here, maybe. Yeah, this person, like maybe a teacher or professor or someone, or maybe maybe you will watch a video and you will get like some clarity, okay? Maybe this person will help, like, you know, it can be like that also. Like you will watch a video and you will be like, wow, this person is so motivating. Or maybe this person will teach you a lot of things. Maybe some you know, some and a teacher is coming your way, I'm getting here also, you know, and this teacher will help you in your life, will give you good advice, I'm getting. So take that advice, okay? Trust yourself, but you need to trust your intuition. But I'm feeling this energy where you will be like gaining a lot of knowledge from this person. This person will give you a lot of advice that will help you in your own growth, okay? That is what I'm getting here. Yeah, for some of you, I don't know, I'm getting this clear quotes energy here. You need to keep a clear quotes with you, okay? That will help you, okay? I don't know, I just that message came through. But definitely this person is good for you. Good, he will give good advice because he is very knowledgeable and mature person, okay? Yeah, and for some of you, definitely you are completing a cycle, because we have this numbers, look, 36 and 46, right? And this is 9 number, and this is like 10 number, right? 9 and 10. 10 is all about endings, completion. So yes, this phase of life is completing. You're entering a new stage of life. So in this stage, you need to let go of all the worries and fears that is stopping you, okay? Maybe this person will help you overcome your own fears, okay? So yeah, I see some person, you know, this is like a teacher figure, or it can be a lover also, I feel like that, or a romantic partner who will guide you, okay, who will help you in this process, I feel like that. So some supportive people are there around you, I'm getting that also. Angels are helping you with that. Yeah. Maybe you know this person, or maybe this is a new person coming your way. So let's see what else for group number 2. Okay, we have one card over there. Yeah, we have Goose, inner knowing. You are a brave traveler. Your soul knows the way. Be confident. You will achieve your destination. Loyal friends are always with you. Yes, some loyal friends. That is what I'm feeling. So this can be a friend, or this can be a love, you know, a love interest of yours, or it can be even a teacher who will guide you. Okay, that is what I'm getting here. Someone is around you who is guiding you. You need to listen to their advice. Okay, because they love you, I feel like that. They love you, they care for you, okay? That is also I'm getting, and you know that inside, okay? If you trust your intuition with this person, because I feel like this person is going to help you overcome your own fears, and they will make you believe in yourself. That is what I'm getting here. They're going to motivate you, they're going to take care of you, I feel like that. So yeah, loyal people are around you. You need to trust. Maybe you have trust issues also, you get insecure also, I feel like that, because in the past you might have dealt with it and you have problems trusting other people. So but this person I feel like that, you know, he I feel it's a male, it can be a male or a female, okay? But this person, whoever this person is, he is helping you with this, okay? He's giving you good guidance. So he's motivating you, he or she is motivating you, okay? Yeah, I feel like that. So yeah, for some of you definitely you will travel also. I feel like that you're meant to travel, you're meant to see different parts of the world. Okay, travel. I feel like that travel vibes is also there. So maybe you will do some career related to travel. You will be traveling different places and exploring their cultures or something like that is also coming through here. Okay, and yes, you need to be more confident. I feel you are not that confident, you lack confidence. So it's time to gain more confidence and believe in yourself. And this is, I feel that this person is helping you with that. And so you need to, sometimes you don't listen to other people. I don't know why I'm getting that also. Sometimes you don't listen to other people because you have this trust issues or something like that. You don't trust people easily. Okay, but this person is trustworthy, I'm getting here. That is like what is coming through, guys. But you need to trust your intuition anyways. But yes, trust your intuition. But you have this person around you. There are loyal people around you. Okay, you need to trust them. Okay, yeah, and be confident. You will achieve whatever you want in your life, but you need to let go of that self-doubt, worry. That is the obstacle, I feel. You need to love yourself and move forward with it, and believe in your own creativity, believe in your own talents. That is what here. Okay, you need to believe in yourself. You're not believing in yourself. That is what I'm feeling here. Okay, so yeah, let's see this from this angels. What are the messages for group number 2? Heart song. Listen to your heart. Your truth is love. Look at that. Listen to your heart. You need to trust your heart. You need to trust your heart. Okay, yeah, as I said, trust your intuition. It's time to embrace yourself. I feel like that. It's time to embrace yourself. Archangel Sandalphon, I have heard your call for help. Your prayers will soon be answered. Oh my God, look at that. Your prayers are gonna be answered. You have been praying for something. Yes, it will be answered. They are saying, yes, they have seen your challenges. They have seen you suffer. Okay, so they are giving you the help. Okay, your prayers will be answered. Okay, so listen to your heart. Okay, listen to your heart. Love yourself. I don't know, I'm getting that. It's like loving yourself. It's important to love yourself. Okay, self-love. I'm getting that energy here. You are not loving. Talk to yourself nicely. Okay, do something that you like to do. Okay, you have problem trusting yourself. I feel like that you don't trust your own capabilities. You need to trust that. But this was a very beautiful message that your prayers are gonna be answered. Okay, don't worry. You're ready. Yes, for some of you, definitely you're ready to move forward. Yes, you have been doing this from, you're ready. If you want to do something, just go for it. Okay, listen to your heart and go for it. Maybe this person is helping you with this. They are guiding you. So you know what you, okay, if you have a question about something, whether you are ready to do it or not, whether I should go, take that lead, just go for it. Just go for it. I feel this Isis, Isis goddess is helping you with that also. Just go for it. Believe in yourself, whatever you want to do. For some of you, I feel like that I don't know, you have fear you have fear to conceive. You are very fearful about it. You don't know if you will be a good mother or not. You just have this problem where you're like whether I'll be a good mother, whether I'll be able to manage a kid. That kind of energy is also I'm getting. You have so much of worries about that. So I feel this is what I'm getting here. Yes, you are ready to conceive. You will be a very good mother. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. Why are you stressing? Why are you not believing in your own capabilities? Why are you worrying so much? That is what I'm getting, because you have the sacral chakra. I feel there is an imbalance in the past. Maybe you had that some kind of abuse has happened. That's why you have problem trusting your own self. For some of you, definitely I feel like that. You have you are so worried to conceive. I don't know, you want to become a mother, but at the same time you're like so stressing about it, like will I be a good mother, will I be a good father, or whatever it is. You are stressing a lot like that. So you're ready for that. You are you're good. That is what divine wants you to know. Archangel Ariel wants you to know that you're ready. You can do it. Whatever you're wanting in your life, if you have a wish, just go for it. Don't, maybe you have a wish, you want to do it, but you are stressing, you are not believing in yourself, you are not trusting the divine, let go of that, okay, and just trust yourself and move forward with it. Take action, you're ready to do that, okay. So that is what is coming through here. And yeah, Isis, goddess, is all about fertility, mother, right? So I'm getting that energy here. So for some of you are so afraid to conceive, don't be afraid, you're ready. You're ready. That is what divine wants you to know. Archangel Ariel wants you to know that, right? Okay, okay, you're ready. You're ready to climb towards success. You're ready. You're ready. Okay, remember, if you want to do something in your career, if you want to follow a dream, you're ready. If you want to become a mother, you are ready. If you want to do something else, you're ready. You are ready. Why? What is stopping you from achieving that? Your own thoughts, right? You need to let go of that, right? Okay, so karma, you will reap what you have sown. So if, yes, you know, it's the karma is balancing for you guys, and now you are gonna move towards success. So it's important, you will reap. If you have given your best, you will reap the rewards. If you have been praying for something, you will get your prayers fulfilled, but you need to trust yourself, okay. The only thing is, you need to trust yourself. You need to trust your loyal friends, okay. The people who care for you, you need to trust them also, okay. Don't I feel it's for some of you, push away people, so don't do that, okay, because there are people who love you, okay. Don't push them away. I'm getting that energy also here, okay. For you guys, don't push them, they care for you. Okay, let's see. Look, yum. Okay, so if you want to do a different career path, okay, if you want to do something different, just go for it. Go for it, because money will be coming to you, okay. You don't have to worry about money, you don't have to worry about anything. The only thing you need to do right now is to trust yourself and move forward, because you're ready. You have all the resources right now. It's like a magician card, I feel like that. You have all the resources now. It's just your mind that is stopping you from gaining that success. You need to move forward, because you will achieve the success. So what is stopping you guys from moving forward? So take a note on that and move forward with your own creative ideas. Don't doubt yourself. A lot of doubt energy I'm getting here, okay. So yeah, don't doubt, guys. Let's see what else the charms have for you. Let's see for group number 2. For group number 2, let's see what is the charm. Yeah, we have this five number, and with this lizard, you're transforming, you're changing. Definitely a lot of changes are coming your way. Trust your own creative ideas. We have the sun, new start is coming your way. You need to trust yourself, trust that you're ready to move forward. And with this blue color, I feel a lot of truth is coming out. Something is coming out in light, okay. Some hidden truths are coming out, and that will give you a lot of clarity. And yes, that is also coming through. And remember, you're ready to do what you want to do in your life. Remember that, okay. So this reading is like saying to you that just go for it, just do it. What you want in your life, just go for it, because you're ready. No more waiting. K-U-J, okay. Let's see the letters here. D, K, S, U, N, V, okay. So it can be initials or something. So yeah, we have 2 K's though, 2 K's and 2 U's. Look, so this is K and U is like important, okay, for some of you. I don't know, because it came 2 times. Okay, maybe you will buy a SUV. Okay, you will have the money to buy that also. I don't know. Yeah, maybe if you're praying for that, maybe you will get the money. I don't know, because money is also coming your way. Look at that, the coins are there, right? Yeah, you will get it. Okay, let's see. So believe in it. Yeah, believe in yourself. You have, this is the important thing. You need to believe in yourself, your own capabilities, your own talents, and just remember, you're ready to do what you want to do in your life, okay. So let's see what other stickers have to add to this, and then we will stop the reading. We will end the reading with this, okay. So let's see. For group number 2, I choose this white feather, okay. I will take one more for you guys. I'm just closing my eyes, okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, attitude is everything, definitely. Attitude is everything, guys. So yeah, wherever you go, bring your own sunshine. Okay. Yes. And let's do this. Oh god. Yeah, you're ready. I was talking about that. Oh god, I'm so sorry. I just got so excited. So yeah, let's do this. You're ready. Go for it, guys. This reading for me, like, this is the message. The strongest message is, what if you're planning for doing something for ages, now is the time. Go for it. No more thinking, no more doubting yourself. Just go for it. You are meant to shine. You have this, you have the sun again. Look at that. So yeah, attitude is everything. So that's all for my group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 3. If you choose this green color, then I feel you are healing your heart center. Maybe this is like heart chakra. Yeah, with this green color, you know, green color is all about heart center, opening up your heart center, becoming more selfless, and experiencing joy, gratitude, kindness, being more selfless, you know, that kind of energy where you're becoming more compassionate towards other people, you know, healing your past and moving towards a better future, making new opportunities for yourself. You're operating from heart center, and when you operate from heart center, like, a lot of blessings you receive, right? So I feel like that kind of energy. And for some of you, you can connect with Mother Earth also. I feel like that's with the green color. Yeah, I feel prosperity, abundance, everything, you know, happiness, joy. That is what is like coming through for you guys, I feel like. So which archangel is which archangel is working with you right now? Let's see. We have 4th chakra, that is Archangel Raphael. Interestingly, we have this green color again. So with this heart center, I was talking about heart center. So you know, Archangel Raphael is working with you, opening up your heart center. So for many of you, I feel you're healing. Definitely you're healing. Maybe you're healers also. You might heal other people also. So you're in this healing process, and I feel, yeah, you're opening up your heart center. That is what I'm getting here. Your heart is, maybe in the past your heart has been broken many times. Finally you're healing your heart, and Archangel Raphael is helping you with it. Okay. And yes, that is what I feel, this healing energy. Maybe for some of you, healing your heart, your soul, and maybe you're accepting yourself, right? I feel like that you're accepting yourself the way you are. You're not I feel you're gaining a lot of wisdom also. You're becoming more mature about things. You're gaining more wisdom. I feel for many of you, you will be healing other people also. Maybe you're healers, and I feel that energy is also coming here. So yeah, healing people, giving guidance to people, maybe giving motivation to people, motivating other people, healing other people. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, maybe healing your family. Yeah, maybe for some of you, your family problems are healed. If there were arguments, that is going to heal. I feel like that kind of healing energy is coming. This green light is like there. So Archangel is helping with you. Archangel Raphael is helping you with that healing. And yes, good things are your way. I feel like that with this Archangel Raphael, I feel a lot of good things are coming your way. And yeah, you're becoming, you're changing, you're transforming. A lot of transformation is happening for you. I feel like that because you are opening up your heart center, right? So yeah, Archangel Raphael is is helping you with this process. I feel like that, opening your heart center, receiving your blessings. Maybe your heart center was closed for a long time, like finally it's opening up. I feel like that. And yeah, I feel it's your time. I don't know why I'm feeling like saying it's your time now. Enjoy that time. Okay, so yeah, your wishes are gonna, I don't know, maybe your wishes are gonna get fulfilled. So I feel like that energy here, and that's green light. So whenever you're feeling unhappy, or if you're feeling so much of stress, call upon Archangel Raphael. He will help you. Okay, that is what I'm getting here. Yeah, Archangel Raphael is working with you right now, and it's so beautiful here with this green energy here, green light. Maybe green is important for you color. And we have 8 plus 3, that is 11. And yes, 11 number is master number. It's all about, you know, this, I don't know, I'm getting this Aquarius vibes right now. I don't know why. You know, learning, doing something different. So maybe you will be doing something different, out of the box, you know. Just trust yourself, trust your instincts. So for this pile, I feel like you need to trust your heart. not your mind. I feel like that you need to trust your heart. Okay, go with your heart. I feel like to follow your heart. That is where you will find a lot of success. So yeah, what else? Your messages for group number 3. Let's see next. Group number 3, who had chose this green feather. So what's their messages from Archangel Raphael? Okay, sacred source. Yes, that is what I feel. You have a connection with the divine. You definitely have connections with archangels, or you work with archangels or angels. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, you definitely have a divine connection here. I can see that with the sacred source here. And Archangel Raphael, look at that. Oh my God. You got Archangel Raphael again. I picked up, and I picked this green feather before, and then only I picked, shuffle this card. And at that time also I was like, oh, we got this Raphael because this is green. And again you got Archangel Raphael. Oh my God, you're healing. The storm clouds will soon clear and sun will shine. Trust. Yes, trust, guys. You are the sacred soul. You have a connection with the divine. You have the connection with the archangels. Archangel Raphael is working with you like 100%. Your heart is healing. You're becoming more selfless. You're getting into the space of gratitude. Okay. And yes, for some of you, I definitely feel like you need to be more grateful for the things you already have, because when you are grateful for the things you already have, you will get more blessings. You will receive more. When you give, you will receive more. Okay, so I feel a balance is coming. 11 number, 1 plus 1 reduces to 2. So yeah, I feel the balance is coming. Your life is going to be very balanced. Your career, your home life, everything will have balance. Complete balance is coming because your heart center is healed. It's not healed. I feel you're in the process of healing, but definitely all the the storm clouds will soon clear and sun is gonna shine. Just trust. I know you will trust. And yes, you're completely transforming. If you're healers, definitely. If you have a spiritual practice in it and all, I feel like that, just go for it. You're meant to heal other people at the same time, because yes, you are healing and then you will help heal other people. I'm getting that energy also. So yeah, maybe you have a spiritual practice. If you have, definitely go with it. You're meant to do that. Maybe for some of you, you're aligning with your soul purpose. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting that also. You're connecting with the source. You have a connection with the divine. Definitely, you connect with source. You get downloads through your crown chakra is also activated. I feel like that you get downloads. Your vision is clear right now. So yeah, definitely, I feel that for you. Okay, so yeah, beautiful. Let's see what else for you guys. For group number 3, who I chose this green. Oh, we got this green. Bag. Okay, look at that. That's a powerful thing, right? Power. You have the power. You are powerful. You need to recognize your power. Okay, because you are powerful. That's what I have to say. Because you have so much to give to this world. I feel this pile as a higher purpose. Right now you're healing yourself, and when you heal, you're meant to heal other people. You're meant to give that strength to other people. Your experiences will, I feel you'll be like the storytellers who will be telling their stories to other people and making their life easier. You're meant to make other people's life easier in some sort of way. You will make your life, first you will make your life easy, and then you will make other people's life easy. So right now I feel like you're in this process of healing where you will be connecting with you. There is a strong connection here. You have a strong connection with archangels, angels, divine, whatever, higher self. You're connected with your higher self. Yes, there is a connection. Definitely you can trust your intuition, I would say that. And yes, yeah, look at that. I honor my intuition and go where it leads. Love and gentleness are my real strength. I never give up. I'll succeed. Yes, you're going to be successful. That is what I feel. You have this power. You have this power within yourself that everyone doesn't have. Even if you have a challenge, you will be able to easily overcome it because you are connected to the source. You know where you're going. You just need to trust your heart. Okay, trust your intuition. Your intuition is gonna lead you to success. That is what I'm getting. Whatever you do it with your heart, because that is going to be successful. Don't doubt your heart. Don't doubt your heart. That is what I'm getting here, guys. Wow, this is very powerful. Okay, wow, you're meant to succeed. Okay, let's see what else. Let go. Yeah, so yeah, you're in this process of letting go. Yeah, I'm feeling like that. Yeah, you're letting go of your past, you're letting go of the things that is not aligning, not in alignment with you right now. You're letting go of the people who are not aligned to you right now. You know that because your heart is healing. The pain, you're letting go of the pain, the experiences, the past experiences that doesn't serve you anymore. You're letting go of everything. So this is the process where you're letting go. Archangel Raphael is like healing you with your past. You know, you're letting go of your past completely, moving towards your future, being in the present moment, creating new opportunities in the future, you know, for your future, right? And living a very good life. I feel in your, you know, your future is going to be very, very beautiful. And yes, this is the process you're going through, letting go of the past. It's difficult. I know you have to work. For some of you, definitely there is something that is stopping your success, some past things, you know, you need to work on that. And that is where Archangel Raphael is helping you with. Okay, letting go. Maybe there are people who were negative to you. You have problem letting them go. Maybe you need to forgive them. So yeah, forgiveness takes time. You know, it's like not so easy thing to forgive, right? So you are going through that phase of your life where letting go and opening up your heart center. Yeah, completely being kind, being compassionate. Yeah, that is what I'm getting here. But yes, you're not, you know, I feel with the for this group, you're going to be so powerful that no one's else opinion will matter to you. You know in your heart what is good for you. You are that kind of people. You know, you don't want anyone's else advice. You are your own heart will guide you. You just have to listen to your heart. You have to just listen to your divine wisdom. You have that wisdom inside you. You need to trust it. That's it. You need to trust it more. Okay, guys. Wow, beautiful for group number 3. Let's see what else for group number 3. Okay, so wait a second, I'll just shuffle again. A lot of cards fell down. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, wait a second. I'll just shuffle again. Okay, we got one. We have one down also. Let me take, okay? Give me time. Okay, peacock. Beware of great... Oh, look. Great, good fortune, as I said. Again, we have this green color coming. Yeah, look at that. Abundance. Yes, abundance. You know, with this peacock also, peacock attracts so many people. You're going to be very, very attractive also. I feel like that. You will attract so many people, you know. So yeah, beware of great pride though. that is also coming through. But yeah, with this peacock, you're going to attract a lot of people. If you're single, I feel a lot of people are going to come and ask you out. I'm getting that energy also. So because you're going to be very, very, you know, you are going to glow. You're going to shine. Yeah, that is what I'm getting here. So yeah, but yeah, some work needs to be done here. Some more. You need to let go of something that is not serving you. And when you let go of this thing, you know, your life is going to be so abundant. I feel like that. You're so blessed. Very blessed people. Group number 3. Definitely blessed. Okay. Yeah, I feel like that. As I said, discord among friends or family. So you have this discord, you know, and that is what you are letting go of, that kind of people who are not good to you, who are saying negative things. You know, who so there are people who discourage, right? They were that kind of negative people. You need to let go of them. I'm getting here. So it's difficult for you. You know, for some of you, you have to forgive some of the family members, and it's like difficult for you guys right now. But yes, this is the thing you need to do. You know, you are meant to grow. You are meant to expand. You are meant to expand your consciousness. You are meant to connect with the divine. So you need to let go of that things. Forgive people and move forward with your life, because your future is so beautiful. Okay, these things doesn't serve you, right? So yeah, just let go of that negative things. And yeah, love yourself. Self-love is also important here. I feel you will be loving yourself, and I feel for many of you might be teaching about self-love to other people, because yes, that is what I'm getting. You're going to be very positive. You will, we have negative emotions, but in the future, I feel like that you will know how to deal with your negative emotions. You will you will be able to do that. I feel like that, you know, I feel you are going to be very powerful manifestors also. So definitely Archangel Raphael is helping you with this healing. This is what I feel. For many of you are in the last stage of healing, and then like you will be able to let go of everything and move forward with your life. Your future looks very beautiful for you guys. Whatever your career also, maybe your career is quite different from other people. You might be doing something something spiritual also. I get that also, maybe something spiritual, but you know, the main thing is whatever you do, you will be connected to the divine, and just listen to your heart and move forward with it, because you will get a lot of success there when you listen to your heart. That is what I'm getting here for you guys. Okay, yeah, look, okay, dealings or relationship with a woman here. Maybe it's a woman who you have to forgive. Okay, so yeah, you will receive a gift. Oh, maybe for some of you, definitely you will understand your own talent. I'm getting, when you let go of this person who is like, yeah, for some of you it's a mother figure, or some mother figure, or some friend, or some family member who were very negative to you. You need to forgive them and move forward with your life, right? Because this is the last stage, I feel, for you. I don't know, I'm getting this energy where you're in this last stage of healing, where you need to forgive and move forward. This is the only thing that is left, and when you let go of this thing, when you heal, when you forgive them and move forward, that is when the magic happens. I feel like that, because I see a lot of abundance for you guys. I'm not saying that you know, the path you're taking, it is going to be a straight road. It's not going to be a straight road. Definitely you will have the ups and downs, but I see that you will be so in your power that if a challenge occurs, you will be easily, you know, you will be able to overcome it very easily. That, you know, your mind is going to be very strong, your heart is like healed, and you're like mind, you're very strong people, you know, mind, you're mentally very strong people. I feel like that. Okay, so this is the last stage where you have to forgive someone in your life and then move forward. Let go of the past, let go of that past energy, let go of that yeah, there you know, maybe many people have like said bad things to you, and it's time to let go of that. That is what Archangel Raphael is helping you with. I feel like that. And yes, you're going to receive a gift. Maybe it's a gift, you know, a tangible gift you have. You will get a good gift, maybe a gift you will receive soon, or maybe it's like a spiritual gift that you will be understanding that you had, you know, maybe a spiritual gift. Yeah, that is also I'm getting. Maybe you have some spiritual gifts, and you will be like you will know that you have it, or you will be like uncovering your own treasure. I feel like that. Maybe, yeah, for some of you, definitely I feel that energy where you are like uncovering something, some talent about yourself that you didn't know before. Yeah, something good. This will make you this will give you a lot of happiness. I feel like that. Like, yeah, in the future I see a lot of security, stability in your life. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm getting for you guys. Okay, let's see the charms for group number 2. Okay, we got this peacock again. So yeah, you're going to be very attractive, because peacocks are so beautiful, right? Attracting. Okay, for some of you, your manifestations also are going to come. I feel like that you will be attracting, you know, you're like a magnet. Your vibration is going to rise, and you will attract good things in your life. So yeah, so you keep your things positive. You know, thoughts positive, because yeah, you're attractive. You're like a magnet. So remember that. A lot of people will come and ask you. I don't know, I'm getting that energy. If you're single, a lot of people are going to come. In relationship also, your relationship is also going to work fine. I'm getting here. Very nice, beautiful. We have 6 and 3. 3 number is all about, you know, connection to the source, divine guidance, right? And 6 is relationship harmony, sharing responsibilities. You will have responsibilities, but you will be able to balance your life very easily. I'm getting here. Okay, look, we have love. You're going to be gentle, you're going to nurture other people. You're like a mother figure. I feel like that. You're very intuitive also, definitely. Okay, trust your intuition, trust it. Yeah, intuition again. I feel that intuition. Have fun. You know, you're like a cactus. You're stronger than you know, you're stronger than you know. Okay, you're very, very strong. You have so much of inner strength that other people don't have that. Okay, you're so blessed with that. Okay, you're blessed. You look with this pumpkin, a lot of, you know, if you are doing some hard work, if you're planting your seeds now, you will reap the rewards. If you're learning something, yeah, knowledge is like this knowledge, if you're learning something, if you're reading something, if you're doing an online course, this course will help you in the future. So yeah, invest your time in reading books, gaining knowledge, because this will help you in the future. This will bear the fruits in the future. I'm getting that. Okay, like have fun also at the same time. Go out, have fun, connect with the friends you love, right? Connect with the people you love. And star, yeah, wish fulfillment. I'm getting here, wish fulfillment. Some wishes are gonna definitely fulfill for you guys. Wow, it's beautiful here. Yeah, group number 3, very beautiful. Okay, so we have O, L, O, this is I and C. Okay, so let's see a little more words for you guys. Okay, we have A, we have A, we have E, we have J, we have O, we have A. Oh, so look at the letters A, so many A's. New start I'm getting. Yeah, get rid of something, you know, you need to get rid of something or someone, or maybe it's just a limited belief you have, some negative emotion that is what is stopping you from your manifestations. I don't know, I feel like one little thing, what is that? Just work on that. That is what is stopping you from your own growth or success. I feel like that is what is the last thing you need to let go. I don't know, maybe this is a you need to forgive someone or something like that is there. That is what is like you need to do. That is the last thing. I feel like that, you know. Yeah, that is what is coming through here. Okay, you know, we got, yeah, last time also group number 3 got this ear, I think last video also. Yeah, it's like ear, like spiritual gift. Your gift might be clairaudience, because we have a box here, right? We have a gift box, right? Or maybe maybe some good news is coming your way that you have been waiting for. Something good is definitely on the way, guys. Yeah, oh my god, you're going to be, I feel 2020 is like going to be so abundant year for you guys. Okay, but yes, you need to let go of something. This is what is stopping your manifestations. I have like a feeling like that. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. So yeah, we have stickers also, and the last but not the least, stickers for group number 3. Okay, we have pineapple. Then together is the best place to be. Wow, yeah, I feel your relationships are gonna be very good. And if you're single, maybe someone will come into your life and you will be very happy with this person. Or for some of you, I feel like maybe if you're collaborating with someone, you'll make if you're doing some business with someone, it will be like very successful or something like that. Everything starts with a dream. Definitely it's time to dream, it's time to manifest, because yes, everything you're dreaming will come into reality. I feel like that. Yeah, imagine with all your mind. It's like manifestations. You are a powerful manifester, so believe in your manifestations. Okay, manifest, guys. Prepare a vision board. Yes, do it for 2021. Do it, guys. Yes, what you want to achieve in 2021, just prepare a vision boards and believe in it, because I'm seeing this pile, you know, Archangel Raphael is helping you with that. You're going to receive a lot of blessings, abundance, you know, prosperity, money, relationship harmony, all is coming here. Because I feel for many of you, 2020 was a year of like healing, working on yourself, doing shadow work, right? So yes, you're growing, you're evolving, you're meant to help other people also, right? So yeah, you have to improve your life in order to work with others, right? You are going to share your experiences with other people and give them hope, give them light, right? So yeah, imagine with all your might, believe with all your heart, achieve with all your might. This is very important, right? So yeah, imagine, believe, and you will achieve. When you imagine, first is the stage is imagining, then is the stage is like to believe in that, and then the third stage you will achieve it. Okay, Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Yeah, you are going to be very different. You're unique. You're going to accept yourself. I see a lot of self-love. So you are meant to give this light to other people, and you are gonna shine first. You're gonna attract a lot of people, lot of lot of abundance. You're going to be like a magnet, so yeah, believing is very important. Choose positive thoughts. I'm sure you will do it, because this pile is very powerful. Okay, yeah, understand that you're powerful. Okay, you are connected with the source, definitely. Okay, so group number three bye bye.